What's up, people? Good morning. So my dad and myself are currently on our way to a breakfast meet. It's going from kind of midrand side all the way through to Hartees. It's a breakfast run specifically only for 3-litre diesel BMWs. So my dad with his E60 and myself with my E90 are going to go through. My car is pretty dirty thanks to the wind that we had yesterday, so I'll try and give it a wipe down when I can. But yeah guys, I won't be able to film the whole thing because I'm going to be using maps on the way to the first meeting point, but on the way through from Midrand to Hartees I should be able to film a few rollers with the other cars. Hopefully, we'll see how this goes. But yeah guys, I'll catch you at the meeting point.
I don't wanna just get by in life before we die. I want it every single time, no chances to revive. Days are slip away sometimes when pressure holds too tight. Only I can make up my mind and override the fight.
What's up guys? So we've just left the meetup point. Now we are on our way through to Hartees. Only about 10 or 11 BMs. Still very nice cars, and there's one or two other guys that say they might join us on the way. We are going past the satellite road, so yeah, we'll check you guys at the final meeting point. What's up guys, so we have just had our next stop. We are, as you can guess, Satellite Road. Next stop, as far as I'm aware, is a windmill in Hartees. But yeah, I'll give you guys some squiz around here quickly. Very pretty E90 330D, the camera car. My dad's E60, very pretty.
He's fucking wheeling it all the way up.
There's an M4.
Shit don't never go as planned. It was going great, but damn.
M4 came back.
Flashing slow-mo, lost control. Now we rolling in the road. Nigga, where your homeboys at? Hey, before we go there, where your folks been at? All that noise just to go so fast. If you go too fast, might be first to crash. What? We not on the same page, not the same book. I told you we got on the same thing, not the same look. No biggie, I'm right here. The end is quite near. You don't even like it here, I see. Street racer, I hate when you get like this. She like when I get like this. Can we make a pit stop quick? Shit. you play that song I like? Not a time to be so quiet. You've been talking all that shit, what for? Don't you like it when I win? Keep it like you've been serious, I'm curious, what's that like? We not really furious, we fast, right? I'm trying to slow down, you're trying to take flight. I see now, could've been dead on impact. Should've been scared, no fear found. I know you scared, I know you scared now. Just know you scared now. I could tell you about it, I know you hear me loud and clear now. You could've been dead. Now you like to live fast, die young, I see. And your father like to drink fast, die slow, he might be. Y'all like to fight over shit you don't know, I see. Shit, I could tell you about it. If you slow down, you could tell me about it. It ain't that hard, it ain't that hard to street racer. I hate when you get like this. She like when I get like this. Can we make a pit stop quick? Shit. Can you play that song I like? Not a time to be so quiet. You've been talking all that shit, what for? Don't you like it when it ain't that?
What's up, guys? So we just finished the breakfast run. It was an awesome day. Some really nice 3-liter diesels. We are currently now on the N1 heading back home. But yeah, it was an awesome day, back a day out, and yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Cheers.